So today's Sunday, it's International Rescue Day because I'm here with the Drone Seekers International, and I've got, I'll just turn it around now. So I've got Jackie over there. She's going to be the mountain goat, but Harvey might have a go of the mountain goating as well. But anyway, they've got some gear, they've got some rope. We're just going to check first that it's still up there. I think it's still up there. It'd be amazing if it got blown down, but I don't think it has. Because the worst thing about it is it fell on its back. So I think that bush up there is protecting it. And as always with the weather, the wind's picked up. So the home point's been updated.
Head tracking on.
Head tracking's on RVs. Jackie's Mini 4 Pro, I should say, is up and away. You know, the rescue squad are off. So they're both going up there. RV's up there already. Can you see it, Arv?
I see it.
Yeah. That little squatty thing. So they're both screaming up there now.
I can see it.
Yeah, Harvey's just right above it now. Jackie's just coming up.
Yeah, I can see it.
What you don't want to do is go in the bush.
Go in the bush.
No,
Bloody hell, that's windy.
that's what I mean. I think the line and hook thing is not going to work, is it? Two mountain goats are going to go for it. I don't envy them because that's it. I mean, the thing is, it doesn't look steep on the camera until you do it at that angle. It's pretty big. Anyway, they're going up now. He's up there. He's up there. And he's got the drone. Woo! Just got to get down now. I bet Jackie's got the Oh, you got a battery.
Got the battery.
Jackie's coming up.
If I can zoom in on that. So we was going to fly the drone up there, but because it's so windy. What's up? Here they come. The team.
The two international.
You look washed out there, Of.
Where's the
Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's in the
backpack.
Here we are. Look. Oh, it is. It is manky, isn't it?
Yeah, it's wet as well.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh dear. It's gonna need a dry out.
Yeah.
I think the.
Oh, the battery's on.
Works.
Was that the original
No,
battery?
I've
Yeah.
got the new battery. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Because the motors were, they get clogged up with.
So it's still going, even.
No, it's switched off.
I'll switch.
Go on then, give it one.
Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's the battery that was in the. Oh no! Got gimbal wobble.
Oh dear, that doesn't look happy.
No, but I think it's probably because it's wet in it. I mean, it's been a lot of rain out there. I'll just turn this on to see if it connects.
Clean up before he flies.
Yeah. I'll just see if I can get it on the screen. So I'm just putting on the. Takes about half an hour.
It's not wobbling now. Sticks on there.
Yeah. I was saying take off. Okay.
Let's see if it flies.
Oh, hang on. It's got low battery voltage.
Yeah,
Put the other one.
But then that's because it's critical. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll do a quick recheck.
battery
3
change.
nights. It's been out now. Right. We just
This battery's not doing a lot either. Look.
Is that the new one?
Yeah. Did you forget to charge it up?
No. So, I mean, considering it's been out there for 3 days, that's doing pretty well, isn't it?
Well, at least you've got something you can now send back to DJI.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be alright, try it out.
Yeah, it's not connected to the screen. No, still not connected. Oh, hang on.
Hang on now.
Yep, it's there now.
Yay.
But I've still got no No, it's dropped out again.
Oh, reunited, look.
Oh, you're back. You're back on my shelf. And I bought my gimbal cover. See, I was there. I was all expecting it.
It's all steamed up in there, look.
Oh, no.
It's getting emotional.
Oh, no. It's crying. Oh, Daddy, you pulled. Oh, I wasn't expecting to get that. I've got to say, thank you much, Arv and Jackie, for
Just camera.
coming out.
I was fairly confident we could find it.
Yeah, I was positive. I was, but it's a chance. It is.
You were sure nobody else has gone up there?
No, I've got to thank Jackie and Arvie, especially Arvie, who managed to rescue my drone. I've got it here. I don't know, you can see it. Can you see? It is pretty manky. But considering it's been out for 3 nights, I'm sure it's 3 nights, it's in good nick. I noticed I got a lens cover over the camera. Now that's a bit misted, so I'm hoping once I remove the cover, the UV filter on the camera, that'll be right. I've got a dehumidifier back at home, so I'll be putting that on for a day or so to dry everything out. I mean, I was amazed that the battery, it must have got jammed or something. It was still had some power in it, which was pretty good. So I'm a happy man. And hopefully in a week's time or so, I'll be putting up a video with the Mini 3 Pro, and we'll have a quick check on the flight record and see if there's anything else going on. But I'm sure it's just me, pilot error. But so happy to get it back, because these ain't cheap still. You can, I mean, even though, you know, over 2 years old easily, it's still about $650 upwards for one of these. So happy man. As always, there's going to be another video coming very soon. Finish the day, because I'm happy now. They don't know it yet, they're paying for this, but anyway. We got we got the starters, and Jackie's got cheese, and Arvie's got ham. And I've got a cup of coffee, and Jackie's got Tango. Well, Fanta.